Hello, today we are seeing a difficult wiring in a very calcified plaque in LAD and angioplasty via supports of IVL Intravascular Lithotripsy. As you can see, passing the wire in the LAD is very difficult. If you look closely, then you will see this is a very tough plaque, and you can see the bending, and it's terrifically one of the very tough wiring that I have done so far. By taking the supports of another body wire, I could ultimately cross the wire into the distal LAD, and as you can see, then we went through sequential dilatation and in the IVL, and at the end a long stent which covered the whole disease properly, and the result was remarkable. Flow was TIMI3, good flow. Patient was symptom free. And if you see at the end, then you will understand that the stent expansion has been very good. So here it again, you can see it, how difficult it is, but yes, it can be done with proper expertise and proper technique. So keep watching, keep subscribing. Thank you very much.